So guess what, guys? Guess what? So we just got a ooh, you guys are gonna fall. We just got a brand new dishwasher yesterday. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you just because I'm so excited about it. I know it's a oops. You are getting bent all the way. The tripod. Okay, so here it is. Ta-da! A new edition of, it's not new like everybody could be like, oh, it's a brand new dishwasher, like brand new, like, you know what I mean, like nothing fancy, but we did get it. It has a new smell to it. It was about time we got a new dishwasher. Let me show you guys. Yeah, I'm so thankful that they actually put it in, and oh my god, this is so smooth. I need to do this to my cups. But yeah, we got a new dishwasher yesterday. We got one yesterday because our old one did not rinse and it started to smell. No matter how much bleach I poured into that, it will not, like, no matter how much bleach. These are from the morning and I'm gonna deep clean this whole house. All right, hot dogs are ready. I have some hot dogs for the kids because we're running kind of low. We're kind of running low on groceries, and I don't want to put you guys over here. We're running low on groceries, so I don't want to, like, I'm recording. Okay, so I thought I wasn't recording for a little bit. I had my phone charging for a second. But are you guys ready for this? Like, you ready to see this? I was talking to you guys about something.
Can I have a cake?
Oh, don't mind. That's gonna go in the recycling. That's gonna be trash, and I need to move all that and clean that. Move that and clean that. But you guys ready to see my sink? There we go. Voila, clean. I cleaned it. I got so, like, fed up with this being crusty that I ended up cleaning it. How could I ever let it get crusty? I always deep clean my kitchen. If you guys saw my videos from before, you're like, yeah, you always clean your kitchen. That was one of the things. Like, I also have to clean that up. I'm gonna move the microwave. My husband and I already talked about, we don't like the microwave where it's at because it's like, I don't know. We have some stuff up here. See, I can show you guys what we have there. So we have that, but there's so much clutter. Honey, you're gonna have to start using you want this anymore? This is old.
I want it.
Look at the top. Do you want it?
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm gonna have to wash that. There's some dishes that I have to wash, but yeah, like, I have all these containers. So what I'm gonna do is actually,
I can have some
Cheerios?
Yeah.
I'll add a little bit. So I got my towel here. I'm just gonna lay it out. That way the brushes can go there and out of the way. Look at this monkey. What you doing? You're gonna fall. You're gonna bust your face. God forbid. Get down.
Am I a really good climber?
I'm not gonna encourage it. I'm not gonna tell him right now, yeah, you're a good climber. No climbing. Okay, where's the brush cleaner? There's my other chair. Okay, there we go. So I'm editing a video as we speak. I don't know, I just felt like I need to put everything together so I can keep recording for you guys, because I was doing it very, very well. Like, don't mind my shirt. You guys know my videos. If you're new, you're gonna be seeing this shirt quite a lot. I do wash it. I do wash it though. But that's what I do. I lounge in shirts and I work out in these, and yeah. Anyways, so I did have my phone hooked up here, but obviously I'm recording, so that's why I'm not It's not hooked up. But I did export some videos and I'm having issues with getting some videos from there to here. They're somehow not popping up. I don't know how to find them. I'm lost. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try again because there's sometimes it just seems like some videos are missing here and there, and it's because if it seems choppy, I apologize. It's because the what do you call it? The iPhone, whenever I log it in here and I try to take the videos out, it just doesn't pop up. I don't know why. What's the deal with that? So I'm gonna have to figure out, excuse me, figure out what's going on in there. But for the most part, I'm just editing and I'll get the videos up. Oh, we need to film a video, right? Yeah, we're gonna film. Oh, but we need to go grocery shopping. And can we play cards again tonight? Are you gonna teach me? Talk, babe, talk. Talk.
Oh, wait. Hi guys, it's me, your favorite YouTuber. Not really, but she's your favorite one.
Aww.
Cause she's so beautiful. And there's just
Nobody want to see her behind.
Hi,
I was like,
Who, me?
yeah, I'm sorry about you because I was filming you and your butt was showing. I'm like, nobody want to see her behind.
Bye.
Bye, bye you.
We're missing one.
Where's
the missing link?
Audrey?
I don't mean it like that, guys. I don't mean it like that. I mean like, where's the missing baby? Today, I don't feel like taking my other purse, so I'm gonna take this clutch that I have not used. You got me this for my birthday, so I'm gonna use it today. It's a pretty big size.
Of course. You get Audrey.
There's Audrey.
Yay.
Hi, mamas.
She showed you.
And there's Jesse. Give me a kiss. Yeah, he's drawing. He's a little artist. He loves
We're gonna
drawing.
make a video today, and also me and Helen are gonna play Cards Against Humanity.
Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Of course.
So yeah, you see, guys. Oh yeah, he's in my videos. Oh no.
Oh, and comment down below if you play Cards Against Humanity.
It's a fun game. Try it. Yeah, like try it out. You guys, you have to have like a group of people, whether you're meeting up with family, but, or whoever you can play it with. It's funny.
Or you could play with Randy.
Yeah.
No, that is Randy, right?
Our reindeer.
You remember Randy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you don't
that's
play.
That's his name, right? Oh, that's his name.
That's his name, Randy.
Randy. He's imaginary, and it works for me because I always.
What'd you say? He's
Randy.
not imaginary.
Okay, he's not imaginary. You read the information on the card game, and they
He's not imaginary.
and he's Randy. His name. You have to draw cards for him as well. So it's a fun game. Like I said, use your imagination. It'll be fun.
Yep, it'll be awesome. And
Like I said, I've always played pretend as a kid. If you didn't know, now you know that I used to play pretend.
so, and you
I
wanna
used to talk to nothing.
And you would hear a fun
Sisters,
fact.
if you're watching my video, comment down below. My sisters, my family, they know I used to talk to myself.
And not only that, but you want to hear a little fun fact about me and Helen? For our entire childhood, she actually thought I was her imaginary friend.
That's not true. Then I apparently think I'm married and I have 2 children, but
We're all imaginary.
it's not.
I'm a red.
They're not really here. I'm not here.
Wait a second.
I don't know what he's talking.
Let me talk.
Oh, let you
Oh,
talk.
let you talk.
That
Oh.
is rude.
Rude.
My child being rude. Thank you for the
I'm
nice.
imaginary friend.
Okay, no, mamas, that's nasty water. I just gave you a water bottle. Where did it go? It was not covered. I don't know what happened to that. Oh,
don't-
we almost fell. Okay, this computer keeps logging out. Like it keeps logging out. It goes black, like dark,
Yep.
and then it goes back to where it was. I don't know. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish editing and I will see you soon because we have to go run these errands.
Bye, guys.
And then we will get the videos up for you guys, and as well as film our video.
Of course.
Alright.
Alright, bye, guys. Bye.
Thumbs up. Bye.
He says give it a thumbs up. He calls it the thumbs up challenge.
Yeah, because our challenge to you is to get as many likes on our videos as possible. Because whoever the winner is the winner.
Audrey, she looks so creepy right there. She's just like in those scary movies where they like the kid pops out of nowhere, like the paranormal. Oh, that's what she looks like.
Why are you talking like that?
She put it in your mouth? Her face. She's like, you're crazy. Everybody, I am back. It is 6:58. We came back from Walmart. Surprise, you know, like I always say to you guys, like, we always go to Walmart. Yeah, we did. So I'm going to show you what invention I came up with tonight, because we are like, money's a little tight, you know, when you're budgeting with food, you kind of have to look at Pinterest, check out YouTube, look at recipes, and that's pretty much what I did. When I remembered this, I was like, what can I do with chicken? I have cream of mushroom. I have 2 cans. As you can see right here, I have 2 cans of cream of mushroom. I have a rotel, diced tomatoes. I have this meatloaf thing, which I don't even know if I'm going to use that. Or I might. Actually, I might. So I was like, what should I do? So I bought an onion, I bought tomatoes, and chicken. I don't have chicken breasts, but I saw her do a recipe a while. Ooh, this was a long time ago, but I remembered it because I was like, I have these sitting in my pantry. I'm like, what can I do? So I ended up buying onion, tomato. Couldn't get the chicken breasts. They were a little pricey at Walmart, and we just didn't want to drive around to the commissary and back. So we got, they're put away now. They're put away. So we divided, my husband divided the chicken, and they're actually like not chicken breasts, they're with bone. They're like thighs, chicken thighs, or quarter thighs. I don't know how you call that, but they're in there. So like you guys can see it.
Chocolate chips.
I don't even know how well you can see it, but they're in there. And I have chopped up onion and tomato. I sprinkled a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of salt. So that's in there. And then I'm thinking about throwing this in right now, as well as these 2 cream of mushrooms on cans of cream of mushroom on top. I'm not so sure. I'm gonna ask my husband if he wants me to put this. And I also have this laying around in the pantry, because you guys can see I have bought these like an impulsive buy. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna cook something with it, and I never do. So I had this sitting in here. Is this still good? Yeah, it's still good. Okay, so I can use this as well, like the enchilada pack. I can put it in there so to make it like a saucy, creamy, and I have sour cream, so I could do that as well. I have a lot of ideas right now running through my mind, and I got inspired by her video, her crock pot chicken. I don't remember what it was called. Something with chicken breast, cream, cheesy, tomatoey. So I'm just gonna do my own version of it. Do what you have, you know. So I'm gonna try and see if I can put some enchiladas.